Oh, hey. Think I'm gonna make some type of loaf. Would you guys like to loaf with me? I thought so. Let's start this. Here are the ingredients. We have chicken, bacon, croutons, Italian dressing, some cooking Hennessy, a Michigan salsa, Michigan honey, a pineapple from I don't know where, an onion, 2 eggs, and, of course, some jalapenos. So, yeah. And so our Aloha, Pollo, Loco, chicken, bacon, loaf begins. First, we will cook the bacon. We will be cooking this center cut bacon the epic mealtime way, because it's the easiest way. We'll turn our oven to 365, 350, 350? 350 sounds good. And with our bacon lined up, we will put it in the oven. And you're probably wondering, good God, Wayne, that was a lot of bacon. And, well, I'm planning ahead here. I'm thinking about lunch and breakfast tomorrow also. Don't judge me. While the bacon cooks, we will cut up our chicken and onions and jalapenos and other things. First thing we will need to do, we will need our chicken grounded so it doesn't fly away. First we add our chicken, and then we add our egg. Answering the age-old question. Cutting up our onion. Add the onions to the chicken. We'll cut up our jalapenos. This is part of the Loco part. In hindsight, that was too much onions. We're going to take some out. Next, you want to add your carrots. That's probably a good amount of carrots. Next, we will need to cut our pineapple. And then, add diced pineapple. And we will add a little bit of lemon juice. Not that much, because I guess I'm out. A splash of Italian. Splash. Mix everything together. Still a lot of onions. And then we add our bacon. Slice the bacon. Add to bowl. And, if you have been following me at home, this may be a good time to add your cooking Hennessy to your glass. Huh. Yeah. Next, we will add our breadcrumbs. However, since I do not have any breadcrumbs, I'm going to use croutons and this trusty cooking hammer. And then we add our croutons. I mean breadcrumbs. Then we add our Old Bay, our sea salt, some crushed black pepper, and a mix. And then we spray the loaf pan liberally. Now that our loaf is assembled, yours may turn out bigger, because you may not have lost half of your chicken with your onions while you were picking them out. So, we place our loaf pan, set our timer for 30 minutes, and wait. And I've just remembered that we forgot to add the salsa instead of ketchup. So, we're going to do that now. And then we take our loaf out of the oven and add a little bit of honey Michigan honey, and drizzle it on there like so. Place it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Alright, now when the little red line goes up to 165, we can eat it. Now that we have cut up our chicken aloha loaf, we will get our plate ready. And yes, I know you're thinking, once again, where did the rice come from? And I will say to you, I'm full of surprises. Spatulas on the ready. We will loaf our chicken. And we'll call it good. So, now that our plate's ready, I'll start eating. Bye, everybody. Oh, yeah. Now that's Loco. Adios, nosotros.